gonna hurt.
All right.
Safe. What's up, people? Welcome back. Today, we're gonna take skiing and snowboarding and put them together. I'm talking about skiboarding. Let's go. So skiboarding has been around for many years. However, it gained popularity, then it went out, then it went back in. Now I say skiboarding because that's what we're talking about now. Before they were called ski blades, and I don't know the exact evolution of all of them, but I got a buddy of mine, what's up, Mark? And Mark, he bought actually what he bought was ski blades because they're a little thinner. And he bought them and said, hey, you want to try them out? And I said, sure, why not? You know, I'm always up for something new. Now, to give you a little history about me, about 25 years ago, I used to ski. Then I found snowboarding and I picked that up. I liked snowboarding better than I liked skiing. Definitely, I like the boots better. And I decided to switch over. So I did snowboarding for a few years. And then I kind of got busy and really didn't take the time to go snowboarding. So I hadn't gone in quite a while. And then my buddy said, have you tried this skiboarding or ski blading? And I'm like, no, I haven't. He said, you should try it. So he loaned me some gear. I went out to the mountain and that's what we got today. All right, here we go. We are out here at Butternut and we're gonna go skiing for the first time. I haven't skied in I haven't skied in quite a long time. I was snowboarding, now I'm trying these little skis, the ski boards. I borrowed them from a friend, let's see how they go.
I got mine rented.
Yeah.
First time wearing them.
Yeah.
First time skiing of 2020.
She was
Goodbye,
snowboarding.
2020.
she did snowboarding before, now she's gonna try skiing. And she's done both, right? You've done skiing and snowboarding, but yeah, it's been a couple years. So we're gonna give this a shot, see how bad we do. Stay tuned, it should be fun. So these aren't technically my ski boards that I wanna show you because those have been ordered from Revel 8 and they're on the way. I watched a few videos by Talon Sai. What's up, Talon? And I love what he's doing. He's been doing it for years and working closely with Revel 8. And I like the way the boards look and the way they seem to ride. So I went ahead and ordered one. So when that comes in, I'll be sure to do a review and a video to show you how much I love that. But for right now, I'm just gonna show you what I did. First time in 10 years that I've been on any mountain. So here we go. After 10 long years, get ready! Doing a little bunny. What? Trying to remember how to ride anything. Ooh, boy. There comes Ashley. That's it. There you go. There comes Nez. All right. Must remember to remain standing. That's important. All right now, as you can see, I didn't do much. I spent a lot of time trying to reacquaint myself with the idea of being on the slopes. Then I spent time trying to acquaint myself with the idea of working off of these smaller ski board kind of things. These are definitely different than anything that I've used before. And I did feel it felt kind of odd because the fact that the edge doesn't catch. Like on my snowboard, as you know, when you're riding a snowboard and you're going side to side and you're carving, you're careful to keep that, you know, downhill edge up off the snow so that you don't catch the edge and go flying over. On these, there's no real edge to catch, so you can just spin around and around. And as I started to go, I'm like, oh wow, I'm just going around in circles, around in circles. I'm like, okay, this is fun. And I found it to be really easy to control. And these were too short for me, by the way. Going by height, these were like 33 inches, I believe, which is about 85 centimeters, I think. And the one, I should have at least like 105, 110 centimeters because of my height and my weight. I grabbed a pair of Revel 8s. They did a pair in conjunction with Stuff and Things and Talon's High. I grabbed a pair of his, so they're on the way. So what Revel 8 did is they put snowboard bindings on their ski boards. That's right, snowboard boots can be worn with these ski boards. So I ordered a pair. I ordered a pair of new snowboard boots, and I can't wait for them to come in. They should be in a few days. And as soon as I get some decent weather, I'm gonna run out and try it out, and I'll be sure to let you know how it goes. So if you look at the Revel 8 website, you can see that they have all kinds of ski boards, all kinds of bindings. Now you can go with the non-release bindings, the release bindings, or now the snowboard bindings. So I'm anxious to try them all out. I've tried the no release bindings or non-release bindings. I've tried those on these ski blades, and that was decent. I liked it. I really don't like ski boots. They're just too hard, and they really hurt my feet. So I wanted to go back to the snowboard boots. So I did.
Hey, Naz.
So we're here on the lift, waiting for, I don't know who back there, but
2 rows back.
You can't quite see Nez back there, but snowboarding seems like her first time. I don't know, but at any rate, we're having fun.
So much fun.
Yeah, we're about to call it a day though, because it's a little tiring, more than we remember, because you know.
Great core workout.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah, it was easier when I was younger. I remember it being easier. That's all right, here we go, here we go. Put it up, put it up, put it up.
No, not yet.
You have to, yes, you have to put it up.
Ah, my arm.
Watch it, watch it, watch it. You can't wait that late.
You said watch it, watch it, watch it.
Yo, you about to get trapped on there. You can't wait that long. I'm like, what you doing? Shit, look, she almost got me trapped on the lift. Push and glide, push and glide.
First.
Glide out.
Come to us.
Slide out. There you go. Now put your foot down. Okay.
Baby, up, did it again.
If you look on their website, they give you a bunch of things to choose from. And then when you're ready to order, you can go to skiboardsonline.com, which is where I ordered it from. It's a lot of fun, it seems like to me, and I'm anxious to get in it. If you saw my last video, it was 25 degrees and I was freezing, but I wanted to get out. I was, you know, cabin fever, cooped up. So I had to get out. So what did I do? I took out the wheel, geared up, and went out. Well, I wanted something else to do. And like I said, it's been 10 years since I've been on the mountain. And I'm like, you know what? When it's cold and snowy out, I need to translate some of that exciting energy and enthusiasm into something else. So skiboarding is what I'm gonna focus on for a little while, see how I like that, and I'll do that in the winter and then jump back on my wheel in the spring and summer. And I think that's what I'm gonna do. All right, we going in. We think that lodge over there has some food, so we're gonna go check it out. Let's go. Thank you, you too, man. Let's see if we can not die. Let's not die. There you go. Daredevil. Get him, man. Get him. So if you enjoy it, please give it a shot. Give it a try. If you have skiboarded before, because I'm a newbie at it. If you skiboarded before and you have some things that you want to share with me, go ahead and leave them in the comments down below. If there's some information that I need to know, go ahead and leave it down below. If there's information that you want to know from me, go ahead and ask down below. So that's it. That's all I got today. I just wanted to share my quick day out and tell you what's coming. I'm excited about it. I'm thrilled about it. And I can't wait to get started. So come back real soon and check out the videos. If you haven't already, please go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you're notified when I make these upcoming videos. And until next time, enjoy your gadgets and your gear and stay safe out there. Peace.